Somalia has undergone significant regime transition and is an incredibly unstable state. Many Somalians have fled due to violence between clans who fight over control of the country. Additionally, an Islamic terrorist group known as Al-Shabaab has a large presence in southern Somalia, which has resulted in a number of attacks both within and outside of the state itself. By forcibly removing the refugees and permanently closing down the Dadaab camp, Kenya is in violation of Article 33 of the Refugee Convention. If Kenya closes down the camp, they will be participating in refoulement activities that are specifically banned in the convention. Due to the violence perpetrated by the Somali clans and Al-Shabaab militants, Somali refugees' lives will be endangered if they are forced back into the home country, which is a direct violation of Article 33 of the Refugee Convention, a convention which Kenya is, in fact, party to. According to Article 33, subsection 2 of the Refugee Convention, a country is permitted to expel refugees if they pose a danger to the host country itself. Members of the Al-Shabaab militant group have perpetrated violence within Kenyan borders on many of the refugees within the Dadaab camp. Also, the terrorists committed an act of violence at the Garissa University, which is less than 60 miles from the camp. Therefore, Kenya does fall in compliance with Article 33 of the Refugee Convention because of the numerous acts of violence perpetrated by the terrorist group on both Somali refugees and Kenyan citizens. Subsection 2 of Article 33 of the Refugee Convention specifies that the refugees themselves must pose a threat to the host state in order for expulsion to be permitted. The Al-Shabaab militants have not been registered as refugees and are not given refugee benefits such as food and shelter. Therefore, Kenya is not permitted to expel any refugees of the Dadaab camp because they have not been considered a threat to the Kenyan state, and therefore Kenya is in violation of Article 33 of the Refugee Convention by shutting down the Dadaab camp.